ang tigas ng ulo mo.
Alright.
That guy actually sounds like he sounds good. Hey guys, I'm an American. And guess what? There's some Americans who react to Tagalog. I mean Tagalog. You're in the video.
It looks sexy.
Yes. Okay. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I don't know Tagalog. I mean Tagalog. This is my cat, Jax. My other cats don't want to come here. How do you say cat in Tagalog?
Pusa.
Wag mong sabihin yan. Kunwari, hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog. At ikaw din.
Pusa.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I guess this is a video from a few years back, and I didn't comment on it back then. We'll go with the very first one that they said. We'll go ahead and read it first. Nakikipagpabagabag. Okay, cool. Let's hear them do it.
You count that?
They sound really good.
Hey, what's up, guys? Luis. So
I actually know
Here in
Luis.
America for a little bit now, so
Seryoso mga kikampi, kilala ko si Luis. Oh, by the way, huwag kalimutan na sampalin ang like at sampalin ang kampana.
Ba't ka nagtatagalog?
Oh, whoops, sorry.
decided why not make my American friends speak Filipino. So today I'm putting them to the test. I'm not going to make you guys wait any longer. So here you go. Meet my friends.
Oh yeah, I made my American white parents speak Tagalog once. It didn't get any views.
People are really nice. Great.
What do I know about Filipinos? Nothing. I just live in Pasig.
Food's a good one for sure.
First, I gotta be batak and pogi, and other Filipinos have to say your batak.
Pogi.
Food.
I'm too picky.
You know what? Honestly, though, I don't know the meaning of batak.
Batak.
Mm-hmm.
Batak, to stretch. So, pwede rin kapag sa katawan, batak, like, muscular.
Okay. Okay, ako ay Filipino.
Ako ay Filipino.
Actually, he sounds good.
Ako ay Filipino.
Ako ay Filipino.
Doesn't mean to swallow a pill.
Maganda ako.
Maganda ako. Hoy, bumalik ka dito.
Oy, bumalik. Hold on. Bumalik ka dito.
Hoy, bumalik ka dito.
So not fair, y'all.
Anak ng pating.
Anak ng pating.
Oh no, I accidentally switched videos. Well, thank you for watching.
Nak akpag. Gab.
Mabuhay kayo. Paki-subscribe at sampalin ang kampana.
By the way, mga kakampi, abangan ninyo, sometime in the next few days, sisimulan ko ang kwento ko kung paano ako nakarating dito sa Pilipinas at sasagutin ko ang mga iba pang gusto nyong malaman ng matagal na panahon. Up here, mga kakampi.